have a very interesting project over there for glass damage removal. All right, so I'm standing here right now just in front of this building with the Sparks damages. It's 101 Park Avenue. It's a big thing, we'll see. All right. Okay, so the long story short, there's roughly 300 window panes, some of them different sizes, but it doesn't matter because the damage is it's just the spots from sparks that fell on the glass. Some deeper, some less, some minor that I wouldn't even touch. I talked to the client, talked to the guys who did demolition and responsible for fixing it, and we are trying to figure out the price for them and see if we can do the test first. So right now we are back to this project. Today we are gonna be doing the test for the Sparks damage removal. So we found one piece over here that has a lot of damages all over here. So technically almost entire panel needs to be buffed. So we're waiting for the building manager to confirm that this is what they want to do, and let's see how it's gonna be. All right, so this is gonna be our test panel. This is how it looks. We identified the area of the damage. So before we start, we're gonna measure the temperature of the glass. It's showing us 82 Fahrenheit. And we have to be careful to not overheat the glass. So we're gonna start slow, and then we'll be measuring glass as we go. So the process of removing spark damage like this involves using the grinder and different grade sand discs. We're gonna start from the black disc. It's pretty fine. We have also red that probably would be better and faster to use, but just as a test, we're gonna start with the black. Okay, so after 1 hour of buffing, we have a result. So we still see some damage on the glass, and this one was the deepest. We still need to grind it more if we want to get rid of this completely. This is a message for contractors and building managers. If you got in troubles with your windows and they got scratched or you got some damages on the glass, I just want to let you know that Total Window Service can clean and restore glass of your windows. It's not just cleaning, we are doing literally glass scratch removal.